Kauwi lang ng asawa ko, guys. Galing sa kanyang dentist. May pasalubong siya. Peel and win. Ready, set, peel and win. Tingnan natin, baka manalo tayo ng... What's in here, sweetheart? Do I need, can you win a cash here?
I think it's just that drink stuff.
Just drink. Oh my God.
I think, but I don't know.
So, hindi niya alam kung anong pwedeng winner dito. Last time, nanalo siya ng drink. Isang drink.
No, the last time, zilch.
Tingnan natin, guys.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Big moments.
Feel here to
Ta-da, drum roll.
Tara!
Oh, how sad.
Better luck next time. Try again on your next visit. Remember, 1 in 5 wins.
There you go.
Wala tayong panalo, guys.
It's all a bit sad, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a
We
bit
won the
sad.
first one and then nonsense.
Yeah, that's not good. Nanalo siya isang beses, tapos hindi na. Puro better lang next time na lang.
Yeah, don't throw these away.
So, ayun, walang panalo, guys. Shinare ko lang.
Isabel will